Welcome to this tutorial on Mutation Taster. In this short video, you will learn how to use Mutation Taster to see the predicted effect of a gene variant on its coded protein. Mutation Taster is a platform that can predict the effect of a gene variant on the protein that gene encodes. You have been provided with information for each gene variant on your patient report so that you can use Mutation Taster to predict the effect of the variant. Open the text file for one of your gene variants and scroll down to Part 3. Then navigate to mutationtaster.org. The first field we need to address is the gene of interest. In this tutorial, we will investigate the gene KRAS. So I'm going to type KRAS into the first field. You need to type the gene symbol correctly in order to bring up the transcript choices. In your text file, you should see an accession number beginning with the letters NM. Here we see the accession number NM04985. So I will click this button under Choose the Transcript. This is a coding sequence ORF, so I'm going to leave this button as it is. Now we need to enter the alteration, which has been provided to you in the text file, and you can copy and paste this as is. Leave everything else the same and hit continue. The results page will load. The first thing we see is the word prediction here in big red letters at the top of the page. After this, for this variant, it says disease causing. This will be the prediction for most of the variants we are studying as we are investigating cancer drivers. However, if the prediction is not disease causing, it will say polymorphism here in green. We can then scroll down and look at the other fields presented. We see the alteration type is a single base exchange for this variant. AA stands for amino acids, and we see that the amino acid change here is from a G to a C for amino acid number 12 in the protein sequence. For single base changes causing missense mutations, there's a score given to the change. The score is an estimate of the severity and is a value between 0 and 215. This number is based on the similarity of the amino acid substitution, considering its structure and function. Larger scores are given to bigger differences, and smaller scores are given to an amino acid substitution that is more similar. Ignore this field for all mutations that are not missense mutations, including insertions, deletions, and nonsense base exchanges. Now we see that this is not a frame shift, and so it says no under frame shift. But if this was a frame shift, it would say yes in this field. And that should cover Mutation Taster. Thank you for listening.